Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to handle non-string, empty and null values. So we'll see three topics. One is how to handling non-string values, how to handling missing or empty elements, and how to handle list with none values. We'll see in demo how we can achieve this. See, suppose if we see first example. So normally, first one is handling non-string elements. So first one is handling non-string elements. So Python expects the elements of this sequence to be strings. If any element in the sequence is not a string, it will raise a type error. To handle non-string elements, you can convert them to strings before using the join method. Suppose if you see this example, my list has all integers. Okay, so that is related to second point. To handle non-string elements, you have to convert them to strings before joining them. So since this is integers and what I'm doing, I'm converting to string. Okay, so now we are seeing join methods, how to join strings. So what is our syntax? Separator dot join, and I'm using for loop. Okay, so here this one item. So item is this one. First I'm converting with the string. This integers I'm converting to string for item in my underscore list. Okay, so I'm converting to string and I'm iterating one by one. And my separator is comma with space. If you try to print this one, what will happen? It will iterate one by one and it will separate with comma space. So first one is 1. Next our separator is comma with space, and second element comma with space, third element comma with space, fourth element comma with space, and fifth element. Okay, so this is our second point. If you see first point, if sequence is mixed, like one integer is there, suppose among these 5 we have 4 strings and 1 integer. So that means it combination is there, no? Then it will throw type error. Okay, that is the meaning of first one. Second one is handling missing or empty elements. When joining, if you encounter any missing or empty elements. So missing or empty elements means suppose this empty string. Okay, that is called missing or empty elements. In a sequence, it treats them as empty strings during the concatenation. So this behavior, missing or elements do not disturb the process of joining other elements. So if you see this case, suppose if you have 4 elements string, one is integer. So it will raise type error. So if you see this case, see these are all strings. Okay, these are all strings and one empty string is there. So even though empty string is there, what you will do while joining, it will skip. It will skip this empty string and it will join remaining elements. Okay, that's what it meaning. So now what we'll do, so our separator is comma with space, and our syntax is separator dot join, and I'm using for loop element for element in my list, that is this one. So element for element in my list. So that means this list, I want to iterate. But what is the condition? If element. That means if a string means with string element, then only iterate. If it is empty string, then it skips. Okay. So if you print this list, see first one is apple separated by comma with space. This one it is skipping, empty string it is skipping. Then orange, orange, comma with space, and this none also it's skipping, then it printing gray. Okay, so that is this value. So one is missing. Missing means this one. Empty means this one. None. Okay. So this how handles a join command while joining the strings. See in this example, same thing. So empty string, empty strings and none value. So what it does by using a conditional statement within the generator expression, we filter out the missing or empty elements. That same thing we discussed, no, none. So one is empty string and none. The join method then concatenates the remaining non-empty elements using the specified separator. So now what is this non-empty elements? That is this apple, orange, gray. So these three elements will join with specified separator, that is comma with space. That's something we discussed here. So next one is handling lists with none values. See here we have two strings and one none value. So what it does, if your list contains none values, you can use a list comprehension to remove the none values or convert them to a string. See here our syntax is separator. First separator is space dot join and string of I, this converting to string I for I in list. That means these elements need to iterate when if I is not none. So that means while iterating, no, if none value is there, then don't consider. Okay, if I is not none. Okay, except none, it will consider. So what we are getting after joining, first one is hello, and our separator is space, then it printing world. Okay, so these are different methods to handle empty strings and nuns. Okay, so before watching this video, this joins, no, so you can check in my playlist. If you see in pandas playlist, you will see video how to join strings. So you first watch that video, then come to this one. You will understand more clarity on these joins. Okay. So that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe and share even circle. Thank you.